Exploring the wonders of rain, facts and fascinations. Rain is a form of precipitation that falls from the clouds in the form of drops of water. Raindrops can vary in size from 0.5 millimeters to 4 millimeters in diameter. The largest raindrop ever recorded was 8.8 millimeters in diameter. Raindrops fall at a speed of about 17 miles per hour. The smell of rain is caused by a chemical reaction between raindrops and the Earth's soil. Rain can fall at a rate of up to 7.5 gallons per square yard per hour. Rainwater is naturally distilled and therefore pure. The average rainfall in the United States is about 30 inches per year. Rainforests receive about 250 inches of rain per year. The wettest place on Earth is Mawsynram in India, which receives an average of 467 inches of rain per year. Rain can be any color of the rainbow, depending on the angle of the sunlight. Rain is essential for plant growth and is often called the elixir of life. Rainwater harvesting is the collection and storage of rainwater for later use. Rain can cause flooding, landslides, and other natural disasters. In some cultures, rain is considered a symbol of fertility and rebirth. The word rain comes from the Old English word reg. Rainy days can make people feel sad or depressed, a condition known as rainy day blues. Rain can help to clean the air by removing pollutants and dust particles. The sound of rain is called petrichor. Rainbows are formed by the reflection, refraction, and dispersion of light in raindrops. Acid rain is a type of rain that is more acidic than normal due to pollution. Rain can also bring relief from hot weather, known as a rainy cool. The first rainfall after a dry spell is often called the first flush. Rainy weather can have an impact on mood and behavior, with some people feeling more relaxed and others feeling more anxious. Rain is sometimes used as a metaphor for sadness or tears in literature and music. In some parts of the world, rain is used for medicinal purposes, such as to cure skin conditions or to treat fever. The sound of rain can be soothing and is often used as a background noise to aid in relaxation or sleep. Some animals, like frogs and snails, depend on rain for their survival. Rainy weather can create beautiful and dramatic landscapes, like waterfalls and rainbows. Rain can be a source of inspiration for art, poetry, and music.